Hey yo everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you all are happy and healthy. I just want to do a quick video about my corn snake's enclosure, specifically about its size, as somebody requested or asked about it as they are thinking about or looking to upgrade their corn snake enclosure soon and wanted to see more of it. And so here it is. As you can see, it's got lots of climbing space on it, and she's got two solid hides, one on the cool side and then one on the warm side here. And her enclosure is about 2 feet 3 inches long, and about a foot and 8 inches deep, and just shy of 2 feet tall. And she is about as long as it is long and deep, but she is maybe a little bit smaller, maybe a little bit bigger than that actually. But yeah, I'm not worried about it because she's got like lots of climbing space, and she also gets a lot of time to come outside of her enclosure because every morning I get up, and I open up the doors and I sit here in the dark and I let my snakes roam around and just have some space to just do their thing. And she regularly comes out and does her roaming, so she gets a lot of space outside of this enclosure. But even still, it is very spacious for her. She can easily just comfortably stretch out along the sides and still be just fine. And then of course she has lots of up space to climb, which she absolutely utilizes 100%. So yes, I hope this was helpful to you. I believe that was Kingsley's mom who actually asked about this, so I hope this works. I'll just talk to you a little bit about the substrate, even though that's not really something you asked about. I have the Sandy Chip Aspen on one side and I have Eco Earth on the other, just to give a different texture as she moves about her enclosure. She doesn't really need either or for humidity purposes because she doesn't really have high humidity needs, but I have it in there for, aesthetic reasons and just for her to feel like she's moving into a different area whenever she's moving about her enclosure. So yeah, I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any more questions, go ahead and drop those in the comments. I am always willing to talk to you guys about anything that I have happening with my enclosures. If you have very specific questions about one or multiple of my animals, I will make a video specifically about that. If it can't just be simply answered in the comments, which some of this could have been, but I just figured I would just go ahead and actually make a video of it so you can actually also see how I have it set up and what I've got going on. And anyway, you guys take care of yourselves, love your loved ones, love your reptiles, and you guys keep spreading those herbs.